I'm Chase Clone, Vice President here at MK Fluidic Systems. We're a contract manufacturing and engineering company specializing in precision fluid handling components. We make syringe pumps, syringes, valves, manifolds, probes, tubing assemblies, anything you need to get precise amount of fluids moved through your system. Our main sectors are life sciences, clinical diagnostics, and specialty analytics, including liquid gas chromatography and mass spectroscopy.
Hi, my name is Ty. I'm the quality manager here at MK Fluidics. I've been working in the engineering, manufacturing, and quality space for a few years now here in Las Vegas. The best part of my job is developing our team to discover and resolve quality problems. The use of the Metrios system is a fantastic measurement tool for the characterization and verification of our problems and solutions. Here we have a lot of parts that have come in on incoming inspection, and we want to know if the supplier has sent us good conforming parts. Here you can label any kind of information or identifier you want on the measurement. And the Metrios has a very large, wide field of view. It will stitch together multiple pictures to create your one large picture to measure from, which is it is doing right now. One of the greatest things about the Metrios here is that it allows you to measure multiple parts all at once. And once it goes through its cycle, which probably took about a minute or so, we'll see all the data for every single one of these individual parts populate the screen. We can individually look at the data by simply clicking on each individual part. The values of measurement will be displayed here on the right. But the best part of the Metrios system here is that you can swipe left on each individual feature and see the statistical overlay, or the statistical output of each of these features as a group. So this chart is showing all of these units measured at once and where they tend to lay in our normal distribution. And it used to take us about 12 to 15 minutes to measure each individual part. Now with the Metrios system, we can measure 25 parts at once in about 2.5 minutes.
As our customers increase their efforts to bring more manufacturing back into America, we look forward to taking on the challenge of meeting their production demands in this quality-first environment.